Today my Sundew has a unique capture. This grub is called a vine weevil larva. And this little beast is feared by gardeners worldwide because of the damage it causes to plants. Hidden underground, removing and destroying roots and young seedlings. People usually recognise them for their adult stage, which is a beetle. However, in this video, my plant goes up against the grub. Straight away, the Sundew reacts quickly to the movement, closing in, the tentacles and dewdrops grasping the prey, and it's already difficult for escape. This is not the first time I've seen these in my carnivorous plant room. I've spotted these little grubs at night, hanging around my Venus flytraps, and sometimes my Sundews too. You can see those tiny little hair-like structures called setae. They're used as sensory functions to find its food when it's deep underground. In this detailed macro shot, you can see how the glue is holding it, and you can also see the small mandibles on the front it uses to pinch the plant roots and destroy them at their base. And it's amazing how this tiny little creature can cause such fear in gardeners around the world. You can see in this shot how the glue is holding the creature in place. They wriggle underground, they don't have legs, and this is how they move through the soil, but on a Sundew, it's not effective. I'll leave my camera running for a couple of hours to see what happens. And at the moment, there's no leaf movement at all. For some reason this creature is just not triggering the Sundew. However, as it continues to wriggle, it somehow manages to free its tail, thrashing in the air, just its head caught. And I think maybe this creature can actually escape, and is looking more likely at this time. Sensing it might lose the prey, so again I put time-lapse on for around 2 hours, and the plant reacts quickly, closing in, and then as it hits the prey, you can see the dewdrops closing in and securing its victim, securing its next meal. And anyone that knows me and my videos on here knows I like a good detailed shot of a creature, and of course my plants too. The Sundew overpowers the larvae and digestion begins, and this turns out to be a good meal for the plant and good news for the garden.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.